Hi, I'm Randy Lane, and today I will walk you through a SQL script that sets up a relational database for a car dealership management system. The script creates several tables. It establishes a relationship between them. Uh, I will also be demonstrating and showing all of the join and select features within the script itself to kind of display uh, what you can do with this database. And so, first of all, of course, I uh, I entered the query to create the database. And the first table we have is the customers table, and in this customers table, I uh, I created a table, and it has all the details and key features such as the customer ID to kind of separate each individual unique customer. Um, we have the customer's first names, last name, email, phone, address, all their info and contact um, information pretty much. And I made the email unique to prevent duplicates. This entire table keeps track of the individual customer's information. And for the next table, the vehicles table, I created this table to store information about the vehicles that are available for sale. The features in this include the vehicle ID, which is the unique identification for each vehicle, and another unique identifier that I included in this table was the VIN number for each vehicle, the price of the vehicle, the make, model, of course, and the year. So to create, some good details about the vehicles. And the next table we have is the salesperson table. The um the salesperson tables features the salesperson ID as the primary key. And then again, the email is unique, so there's no duplicates, so there's no errors or issues with the database itself. I have the hire date that captures when the salesperson was hired and their contact info. Next, we have the sales table. In the sales table, I created this to record the sales transactions to keep the entire thing organized and just to have important data for the dealership itself. This features the sale ID, which is unique as well for each sale to kind of differentiate between each sale that the dealership has. The foreign keys link the sales table to the vehicles, customers, and the salesperson table. And also in this project, I make sure to include the foreign key constraints to have valid vehicle ID, customer ID, and salesperson values in the sales table. And this was also to help maintain data consistency and the integrity of the entire database. And the auto increment, uh, the auto increment features, the ability to generate unique identifiers automatically. And towards the bottom, I also have the select and join statements to and also an update statement to just give an example of what can be done with this database and kind of demonstrate just just the uh just the purpose of all this data that I created. Um, and today I'll show you how to I'll show you how to use these. Um, with the first select statement, it's a really simple query. It's select make, model, price from vehicles, and this was just to select all those from the vehicles table. This is a pretty straightforward query to just retrieve these from the database, and then I'm gonna have a little bit more complex query. The select from join, the select the sales ID, first name as customer, etc. from sales, um, and then the three join statements to I did this to retrieve like more detailed information about each sale, such as the sale ID, customer name, salesperson name, the vehicle details, the sale date, so sale price, things like that. And then the joins are to combine data across sales, customers, salespersons, and vehicle tables. This pretty much gave a report of all the sales transactions, and then under that we kind of aggregated the data with the from the select to the group by. This was to analyze the performance of each salesperson actually. Key features, and this was I created the count. The count was to count the total sales for each salesperson, and then the group by um, was to group the results by each individual salesperson. And this gives this gives a rundown of how many vehicles each salesperson sold. And what I also did was filter the data under that as well. So in this select from join where I selected the make, model, and sales price from sales. Uh, from the sales price, all the cars that were more than $25,000. This was kind of to create like almost like when you go on a car website, like a dealership website or just like a any type of website where you can buy cars from, and you can use the filters to search for cars that are this price. So like say for example, um you want a high value car, something that was more than $25,000 for whatever reason, you can filter it by that. And I also have an update vehicle statement where you can I updated the records where I updated the price of a specific vehicle. I set the price to $25,500, and then I used the individual VIN number for that specific car. And that concludes all my coding queries. All of this was to demonstrate how you can retrieve the data, combine the data, and then analyze the data yourself by using the group by and using accounts, and like the example where I the sales price was greater than $25,000. We filtered the results, and at the end we updated the records. Thank you.